thought I could do all this YouTube stuff on my own. But in the end, I realized I really do need my friends. Let's get pogging, gamers. On a cold Thursday morning, making videos, recording with my friends, but I tried to neglect them. Making slime, but I'm left behind again. Though it's fun, I really miss them. Making slime or having friends, what can I have both? But I know what I've gotta do. I'll write a song just to show them I still care.
Oh, we got 7 million views at 100K and we have Twitch too. You could do slime and do this too. Come on back, man, we're here for you.
Tried to go and play piano, but I missed the team and now I know.
We can do more than 2 things at once. It's really basic, but we didn't know that before. Now we're back together. So get ready, cause this chorus kinda stuff.
Started out with VeggieTales, copyright is on a tail. You end up in the shame jail, read a book, you'll go to hell. Monetizing spy kids,
I'm talking Judy Cortez or
making fun of H's. Our hero is Rodriguez. Got and rolling sky high, made her shouldn't be a spy.
Disney, did you even try? We promised we don't make these high.
Started out on TikTok, doing voices round the clock. Then we moved to YouTube.
Blue, I'm making film
I
reviews.
never can believe my eyes when I put in all my effort for this ride. Looking at the sub count, I'm wondering if I woke up from a dream and is this all a lie? YouTube is a job, so believe it. I can't see a reason to get a degree when my money be wasted. I'll tell you, let's face it, still make myself chase it. I'm shocked just to make it.
Pop out the echo, my engine is roaring. I'm rocking the deck, it's my teacher from Reddit. My friends wrote this first cause I'm up in a hearse. Yeah, I died in the video, please give me dinner. We can be heroes, I suck cause it bored me. I'm streaming some Pokemon, finishing Zelda, recording on Logitech. Does this sound good to you? Changing my room now, let's try a new tune.
Altitude in your face, yeah. No, I got a lot to say, yeah. Majored in film, but now I'm here and I've gotta make a ton of deck. What? Got those lights you can see from space. Camera on the side so that you can't see my face.
We can do more than 2 things at once. It's really basic, but we didn't know that before.
Wait, this isn't musical theater.
Song!
Yeah, we started out with VeggieTales, copyright is on a tail. You end up in the shame jail, read a book, you'll go to hell. Monetizing spy kids,
I'm talking Judy Cortez
we're
or
making fun of H's. Our hero is Rodriguez. Got and rolling sky high, made her shouldn't be a spy.
Disney, did you even try? We promised we don't make these high.
Started out on TikTok, doing voices round the clock. Then we moved to YouTube.
Blue, I'm making film reviews.
Started out with VeggieTales, copyright is on a tail. You end up in the shame jail, read a book, you'll go to hell. Monetizing spy kids,
I'm talking Judy Cortez or
we're making fun of H's. Our hero is Rodriguez. Got and rolling sky high, made her shouldn't be a spy.
Disney, did you even try? We promised we don't make these high.
Started out on TikTok, doing voices round the clock. Then we moved to YouTube.
Blue, I'm making film reviews.
get pogging, gamers.